Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. If you're new to the channel, thanks so much for clicking on the video. I'm 17 now. Yeah, my birthday was at the end of July. So, I've been going through the Amazon FBA process, and if you haven't seen my last video, you'll see that I was going through a Hazmat review. And if you've seen the title of this video, you're probably wondering, is it cleared? Is it not? Let me tell you. So, the listing is still not cleared, however something weird happened. So in Johnny Bradley's Facebook group, where all the sellers, there's over like 250 other people who have done his course now in this Facebook group, and someone put in there about the Hazmat review, and they created a new listing and it got approved instantly. So I thought I would try the same. So it has been probably a month now since my first listing is still in Hazmat. So since I made that first listing and it's not been cleared. So the other day or the other week, I made a new listing, putting in my title, my pictures, my filling out everything, and it cleared instantly. It didn't even go through a Hazmat review that my other one did. So it's like, how can they say the product is a hazardous material or dangerous good if they don't make me go through a Hazmat review the second time I made the listing and put all the information in straight away? It's very confusing. So, pretty much this is just an update for you guys to say, if you're going through a Hazmat, that's what you should do, and that's how I got cleared. And I don't really know where to go from here because my original listing still hasn't gone through. I haven't deleted that original listing and it's still not gone through. So to answer the question, has my Hazmat been cleared? No. And yes at the same time, because I made a new listing that got approved instantly. So I'm going to be making a new video coming out ASAP about kind of what I'm doing with my product and my launch that's coming up soon. So exciting stuff. This is just a kind of another update about Hazmat, just to end off that kind of this series, this period in my journey about getting my product on Amazon. So if anything happens to my original listing, I'll obviously put it in a video. If not, I don't know when it will eventually get approved or not, because for some reason it allowed my new listing through instantly. So yeah, just to keep you guys updated, make sure to come and watch my next video, because that is going to be bringing everything up to scratch, what's been happening, what are my plans, how the launch is going, and it's going to be amazing. So thanks very much. I'll catch you in the next video.